Hi, my name is Anouk.
And my name is Carlos.
And we are Team Quantum. Today we are going to show you a beautiful apartment in a new development in El Chaparral called Vitta Nature, just situated 5 minutes from the popular village of Cala de Mijas. In this area, this developer is the biggest, meaning they have many products to offer. But in this particular development, you're able to buy your dream home within just 12 months.
So in the beginning stages of the development, you have plenty of choice of personalization, get a choice of color countertops and high quality cupboards. In addition to that, you'll have Bosch appliances included.
Quick tour of the bathroom. Just like in the kitchen, you might have some personalization options in the beginning. For example, the color of the towels and also the different flooring options that you have in the bathroom. So you can really make it your own style.